the technique I will tell you how to do it on a budget.
Jerry said yes to twinning with me.
पैसा ही पहनने का होता है ना. अच्छा.
Fest of Mama giving me dirty looks while getting my measurements taken.
I'm being forced to try on a very fabric. Yeah, see, I like colors like these. They're very me. I don't want to be so bhara hua. No. I
Use like broad shoulders, my husband. We are about to do a sort of impromptu outfit from scratch. Now, I did think about doing an outfit from scratch for this particular look for Mridul's wedding a while back at the start of April, and then I scrapped the idea because I said nahi, bahut sare outfit from scratch videos ho jayenge aap logo ke liye, and I don't know if you're going to enjoy that. But today I'm in a situation where all my other looks for Mridul's wedding are pretty much locked and loaded in place, kind of. I have to do final fittings, of course, but I'm not getting anything to fit the carnival theme. And the thing with the carnival theme is that it's supposed to be bright colors. I've already seen Mridul's outfit and she's wearing a beautiful white one, so it's fitting that everyone else will be in bright colors, and then of course the bride and the groom will stand out. And she doesn't know this or does know this. Like, we're not talking about it, but we think she knows this. It's a question mark situation where we are doing a surprise dance performance for her. The reason I'm saying surprise is because last year when we were discussing her wedding and I was like, is there going to be a sangeet? And she was like, tum log mujhe surprise kar lena agar man hua to. Mridul doesn't like to dance. She's adorable, but she's okay with us dancing. So we're not really talking about it with her, but we're coordinating it with sister and sister-in-law pretty much. So where I am is that I need a nice, comfortable, stylish outfit that is perfect to dance in, and all the options that I'm currently seeing to source or ready and this and that are either too skimpy, or if they're not too skimpy, they're not my style, and if they fit the other two ticks, the third one is that I don't think I'll be comfortable dancing in them. So there's lots of check marks, and I realized that wait, I just posted my Eid outfit from scratch 2 days ago, and it gave me the confidence to go back in and say ek aur kar lete hain. So I'm meeting my mom. Thank you for telling me in the comments on that video that I should basically turn this into a mother-daughter series where her and I do it together. I really appreciate it because मैं थोड़ी सी डरी हुई थी that people will be like खुद से करो. But I'm so glad कि आप लोगों ने ऐसा नहीं कहा, because having my mom's expertise makes a very big difference, obviously. And so I am meeting her at the fabric store in the next half an hour-ish. I have been on Pinterest non-stop over the last 2 nights. I'm gonna go ahead and throw up some references on the screen right now to give you an idea of what I'm thinking of. And I'm thinking more in the space of a neon yellow, bright yellow, neon green, lime green, that kind of a situation. I did consider taking the pink route as well, but I realized that, you know what, I want to do a color that I wouldn't typically reach for, and I do have a few new pink things here and there, to kuch alag ho jaye. So that's the debrief for you, keeping this video very vlog style, very casual, very my style, as all my vlogs are basically typically. And let's get this process going. It is very time constrained because today in present day it is the 12th of April, and literally 9 days from now I'm going to be in Rishikesh. I'm flying in before the functions start. I'm flying in 2 days before everyone else. And I just want to make sure I have my outfits and everything in check. So literally to get my outfits in hand, I have maybe 4 or 5 days to keep a little bit of room for alterations, buffer, shopping for jewelry accordingly and things like that. Yeah, that's what's happening. Let's go to the fabric store and get this process started. No pressure, man. Shoulders end to end now is 20 exact. Turn around. Chest is 40 and a half. Hello. Silly pretty. Pulled it out. Done. Kind of forgot to mention something. Jerry said yes to twinning with me for this particular outfit and look and event, and so for this function, him and I are going to be twinning. I'm doing an outfit from scratch for me, and we're going to be making him a matching bandi and buying him a new kurta pajama and that kind of stuff. So let's go. Before we go any further into this video, I have a very, very, very special product and gift idea to share with you. And this is extra special because मेरा जो Outfit from Scratch series है, ये अब एक mother-daughter series सा बन गया है. My mom, with all of her expertise, always helps me so much in these videos, and I want to do so many more of them. So if you want me to do more of them, you know what to do. Leave that comment down below. I'm always reading, liking, hearting, and responding to each and every one of you. With Mother's Day around the corner, there is a very special gift idea I wanted to share with you, and the timing of this really truly could not be even more perfect. This is a product you're going to love, and you're definitely going to go click on that link down below because it's the perfect Mother's Day gift. You've seen me and heard me talk about this beautiful Ayuga moisturizer a few weeks ago last month. This comes with Kashmiri saffron in it. It is so lightweight and non-greasy and sits beautifully on skin despite the Indian hot tropical climate that we have right now, especially through the summer. I remember at that point of time mentioning that this product is so nice. I want to go ahead and try their entire Kashmiri saffron range. Well, not only can I try the entire Kashmiri saffron range now, my mom can too. This is such a cool gifting idea for your mums during Mother's Day. It is a beautiful box that feels very nice and like weighty and luxurious in your hand. It comes with not just this one moisturizer that you already know I love so much, but with this beautiful packaging and the rituals of red, gold, and all of that literature inside. It comes with 4 very, very cool products. First, we have this Kashmiri Saffron Moisturizing Cream. This one, like I already mentioned, has gone on to become an absolute holy grail of mine. I've been applying it on my skin pretty much every single night. It is leaving my skin feeling so hydrated, so nice, so moisturized. I really, really highly recommend it. I have dry skin, just for context, but I do think that this would work for all skin types. If you're someone whose skin gets puffy and all, especially when you wake up, you can go ahead and use that moisturizer along with this jade roller that literally comes inside the box. This is super convenient. Of course, you can use this yourself or you can gift it for your mom. So just gonna plug that in over there. Really nice. My mom is relatively new to jade rollers, and for whatever reason, every time she takes a new jade roller, whether she's buying it online or whether she's taking it from my PR section, she loses them very often. So this is actually very convenient. कि ये लो मम्मा, आपका बैकअप यहीं पे है, इसी गिफ्ट बॉक्स में से निकल आ रहा है. Using the moisturizer along with the jade roller is such a great way to just wake your skin up in the morning. It's great for lymphatic drainage. It is so good for your blood circulation and depuffing and all of those kind of things. I like to keep my jade rollers and gua shas and all of that in the fridge. So if you're someone who's looking for that cooling effect on the skin along with the skincare, I would recommend the same for you as well. This also, by the way, feels really nice and weighty. It doesn't feel like those cheapy ones that I know sometimes we can order online and be like, इसकी quality पसंद नहीं आई. ये actually हाथ में भी बहुत अच्छा feel होता है. This next product is an absolute essential. I am talking about the Kashmiri Saffron Sunscreen. This comes with SPF 50 PA++++, and if your mom is as minimalistic as mine is when it comes to skincare, she just moisturizes and wears sunscreen, then this is the perfect combination. I think it's so important to make sure that you apply your sunscreen every single day, 2 fingers worth, make sure it's all over your face, and of course reapply as and when you can as well. Especially, I mean, karna to saal bhar hai, but especially in the summer when the sun's rays get even harsher, this non-sticky, non-greasy formula is so nice. It has a mild fragrance, which is kind of perfect because it doesn't overpower anything, and it leaves no white cast, which is such an important call out for me. It is going to completely ruin my face if I start wearing sunscreens that have white cast with makeup, especially considering my job. And even for my mom, I don't want her to look like a ghost at any point of time. Casper is only good for the movies, not to be IRL. So this is another product that I think is going to be my mom's holy grail. And last but not the least, मुंह तो सभी धोते हैं, well, most people anyway, and Kashmiri Saffron base का इनका जो ये face wash है, lathers really nice and mildly cleans your face. It really deep cleans your face, but it's also very gentle on the skin, which is very nice. I like that this entire collection has that nice mild fragrance of saffron in there. Feels very fresh, feels very calming actually also, to be honest. And what's amazing is that there is a 10% off on Ayuga's website, so make sure you go ahead and use that discount. I'm also leaving the discount code for you on the screen right now, so make sure you use that. It's Anam 2024. While of course you can shop on Ayuga's own website and claim those discounts, this product and the brand in general is available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, Myntra and Purple, and I'm leaving as many links as I possibly can, especially for this range of products in this gift box down below in the description section, so make sure you go check that out.
Spoiler alert, my mom absolutely loved this hamper when I gave it to her a little early because she was traveling, so it's totally mom approved. Make sure you go ahead and check it out in the links below.
It literally does not get easier than this to gift your mom something special for Mother's Day. It is around the corner, so place those orders very, very soon. And just reiterating that this entire box just feels very nice and luxurious in the hand. And if your mom is anything like mine, products खत्म होने के बाद वो ये डब्बा भी संभाल के रखेंगे और upcycle करेंगे, जो एक बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. I'm leaving links for you down below in the description section now that I've talked to you about this particular product, and I want to thank Ayuga, of course, for partnering with me for a small portion of this video. Let's get further into this outfit from scratch and show you all the help that my amazing mother has given me for this set of looks for Jerry and me both, because it is a matching outfit from scratch. Let's get going.
I don't want to be so bharawa. No, I don't want to be this much either. I feel like I like the idea of keeping it minimalistic-ish. Like the plain pant idea that we discussed.
Plain pants.
Okay, and then the blouse with like minimal lace detailing trimming, plain. I want the bharawa, this kind of thing, maybe not even this much. This is too jhagmag. No dupatta, that cape style dupatta that I like.
So for what we'll do is we'll go reverse.
Okay.
You select a fabric for the cape first. Bhavin, kuch
Lace, bharawa, like thick.
not
You know
thick.
what I
No,
mean?
he'll understand. Embroidered kuch apna patla on net दिखा.
हाँ, on it, correct. But झगमग यानी ये नहीं.
हाँ, ये
मेरे को
पूरा
कुछ भी
cluster.
ब्लिंगी नहीं चाहिए. फिर से हाईलाइट करना पड़ेगा, फिर सेम
नहीं,
हो
नहीं, फिर से
जाएगा.
highlight
हाँ,
करने
see
का
something
सवाल
like
ही
this is nice.
हाँ, okay. इसमें कलर कौन सा है?
इसमें ग्रीन है.
Wait for let's
ये-
open it.
तेरे कलर थीम है क्या उसमें?
ब्राइट कलर चाहिए अपने को, एकदम अच्छा ब्राइट. मैं सोच रही थी मम्मा लाइम ग्रीन टाइप, लेकिन डाई कराने के जितना टाइम नहीं है अपने को.
हाँ, तो ये खोलो. Is this color okay?
नो इट्स टू ग्रीन. लाइक मेरे को कुछ ब्राइटर चाहिए. यू आर फॉरगेटिंग जेरी एंड आई आर ट्विनिंग ऑन दिस वन. हाँ,
So
सो इट हैज
what
टू
is
बी अ
Jerry's
कलर
colour?
सेम. इट हैज टू बी
तो वो
सेम.
फैब्रिक का you'll make the
हाँ,
ये mint.
नहीं मेरे को एकदम एक मेरे को
one
ये
sec, you see-
मेरे को ये जोन में कुछ चाहिए. मेरे को ये वाले जोन में कुछ चाहिए, या मेरे को ये वाले जोन, ये नहीं, ये वाले जोन में.
exactly-
या सी आई लाइक कलर्स लाइक दीज, दे आर वेरी मी.
And इसमें बंडी also will बन जाएगी, अच्छी लगेगी.
टेक्सचर इसका कितना अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को.
Yeah, but then
इसमें
if you
और कौन
take
से
this
colours
as a
होंगे?
cape, there the colors are all down.
सी आई हैव टू गेट जेरी एंड मी टू मैच. दैट कलर इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी नाइस. अगर ये करेंगे तो
See,
ये
then you
बाहर
need-
का दैट केप स्टाइल थिंग विल कम इन दिस, राइट? बिकॉज आई एम डांसिंग ऑल्सो.
Yes, for the cape only. We are going reverse,
Hmm.
right? So then you take a cluster sequence on top.
Why are you hell bent on giving me
एक मिनट,
sequence?
भाभी, यही वाला color cluster.
Why are you hell bent?
Because you need
I don't want
some-
sequence.
Okay,
Mom.
look the color how exact it is.
Yeah, but
So
I
you
don't.
take this for the pants. Then you go for a plain.
Why are you putting me in this much jhagmag? I don't like this much. ये subtle किधर है भाविन भाई? This is very jhagmag.
ना अच्छा भाविन एक मिनट, ये और ये लेकर ना जो इधर ले।
इतना तो बनाएंगे तो
मैं ये पकड़ लेती हूँ,
लेकिन-
तुम ये पकड़ लो।
I don't know. It's too blingy. I'm a subtle girl. अभी ऐसा डालेंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा, फिर मैं
अरे
बोलूँगी हाँ
तो
ठीक
ऐसा ही
है.
पहनने का होता है ना, अच्छा डालेंगे तो क्या? Please don't put my things.
I'm gonna put
Anand,
everything.
you're really too much. I'm going to disown you.
You're gonna disown me? No, you love me.
Yeah, I can still love you. If you put all rubbish on my and nonsense
But I
on
like
the
it.
YouTube.
On the you stop saying the YouTube.
On YouTube.
There's no the before the YouTube.
Okay. Supposing these are pants, okay? Now this can be like this.
This is that cape style, correct?
correct. So there is something at least nice.
It's an
and
interesting contrast.
Then the blouse hissa you can take from this. Like take a plain. इसमें plain georgette मिल जाएगा ना? So you can take a plainer this with the straps. You want the straps or is it open or is it with sleeves?
No, I would prefer like a nice cap sleeve.
हाँ. So that you can take out of the sequin.
मामा बट अपना शेयर का फुल गया ना.
अच्छा,
ये
let
मेरे को
me
जो
take one
ओवर
picture.
लेयर का, अरे पिक्चर क्या पूरा का पूरा वीडियो चल रहा है यहाँ पे मेरा. बट आई
मेरा मतलब है एक पिक्चर लेके देखो दिखाओ.
नहीं, पर अपना जो शेयर का हुआ था कि ऊपर का शेयर रहेगा, ये तो शेयर आया ही नहीं ना. ये तो ओपेक पे ओपेक हो गया.
इट इज अनम शेयर.
Okay,
द ब्लाउज आएगा अंदर ये कलर इट इज शेयर होंगी. केप के लिए ये अच्छा है.
मेटालिक टिश्यू है.
नो बट आई एम कंफ्यूज्ड. बट मैं जो दिमाग में रखी थी ना,
I have to get my picture. This is our auntie and then they get a good price. Right, Bhavin?
Mama, I should start taking commission on all glances.
Please just show my picture and take your discounts. I don't want commissions.
Okay, but listen, I like it. I'm not saying I don't like it, but I feel.
मेरे नाम पे कर दो.
Oh, ye lo.
बस काफी.
Okay, can you come back to the topic, please? I like it, but I feel like the whole idea of sheer
Don't
has
keep
gone
it
for a
down.
toss.
Keep it out only. मैं ऊपर भी तुम बोले ना नेट पे कुछ है.
Confused.
But do you like my suggestion?
I
If
do.
you
I'm
go
saying
with
I
these
like your
pants-
suggestion till the cape. This I'm not convinced of because I feel
With the pants, you're not convinced.
no, Mum. There's somewhere the sheer idea that I had in my head
Of
has
the cape.
gone.
Of the cape.
Yes.
Okay, so would you want pants out of this? Yeah. Would you want pants in this?
That I don't mind.
So you can go pants of this.
So pant will be
One sec,
this,
listen to
blouse
me,
will be
because my
plain.
mind works and then I will go blank.
Okay, ma'am.
Pants,
This
this.
sheer.
Go for a blouse of this. You can't go this upper. You can't go for a
No,
cape.
I'm not. I'm saying chuck this.
अच्छा तो ये कलर में हमको ऊपर कुछ नहीं.
सुनो मेरी बात सुनो ना, ये अपन इसका पैंट बनाएंगे, इसको चक करेंगे,
हाँ.
प्लेन सॉलिड ब्लाउज लेंगे और एक शेयर ओवरले के लिए ढूंढेंगे.
व्हाइट में कुछ ऊपर
Lace, net, mesh.
राइट.
This is bright enough ना, like for a bright colors type of function.
There's no
The dress code is bright colors.
bright color.
Bright color लगता है ना, because I don't want to be off theme also.
The technique I will tell you how to do it on a budget. So इसका पन्ना कितना है?
इसका पन्ना 54.
54. So what we need is not such a chauda panna. We need this much for it to come like this. Okay? So we'll just need half of it. And for the back, we will use half. So what we need is just sawa meter.
Back
or
पे
a
क्या
meter.
जाएगा? पर मैं नाचूंगी.
How long you want it below your
But
knee?
one sec, what is on your back?
The same half of the portion will go same thing like this at the back. It is jawabi.
Correct.
Like
Okay,
jawabi
so we're
means-
sorted. I understood. I'm being forced to try on a very heavy
This is
fabric.
double, na? Bhavin,
Very
single.
expensive fabric. बहुत लंबा है ये तो.
या लंबा नहीं है बच्चा. This यहाँ पे आ रहा है.
यानी बहुत निकल जाएगा, so I'm fine.
हाँ, it will come out like this. Vertical only it will.
ये तो बहुत ही लंबा है. I more than
And
enough.
it is double, so it's very heavy.
This is one option. And the other option is this one.
This is very similar to this, na? ये वाला और ये वाला same है.
सेम वर्क भी सेम ही है.
ये भी पसंद है, लेकिन ये जेरी वाले मैचिंग
दोनों
में
रख के
प्रॉब्लम
देख.
आएगा. ये जेरी वाले मैचिंग में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा. He'll be okay with this. I feel like this is.
Put on yourself and see.
तो सेल्फ भी तो है.
And now see the difference.
I like it. I like this color. It's bright. It's
Just
Poppy.
drape this as well. इसके लिए
which
lining
one?
है.
This one?
हाँ.
हाँ, but mama, वो जेरी के लिए प्रॉब्लम होएगा ना. Jerry will prefer like something like this rather than wearing pink flowers. He's okay with floral, I'm sure. If you come to Glance, you must have the Sev Puri Bhel Puri from this guy outside. This is my mama's staple. You trust my choice, right? I got made for you and me matching. This is the material. You don't mind, right? I knew it. I said you will not mind florals and yellow. Yellow, dirty fellow. No, you are yellow, God's fellow. मैंने उसके लिए सफेद वाला बनाई थी ना, वो परफेक्ट फिटिंग था. थैंक यू. उसने मेरे लिए ऑरेंज वाला बनाई है, लेकिन मेरा लूज आ गया है थोड़ा सा. तो आप मेरे को वो वाले में थोड़ा पहले हेल्प कर दो, फिर मैं नए वाले पीस पे आती हूँ. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा लूज आ रहा है मेरे को इस साइड पे, और मैं ऐसे ऐसे करते रहूंगी तो एडजस्ट करते रहना पड़ेगा. सिर्फ ये इसका एक है. और इसने जो पैंट दिया है ना मेरे को, वेस्ट पे इसने 2 क्लास्प दिए हैं मेरे को सिर्फ एक तीसरा वाला चाहिए, क्योंकि ये भी हाँ 1-2 हल्का सा मेरे लिए लूज है. बस दैट्स इट. अच्छा, ये है मेरा. अभी इसमें ना आप विल यू डू जेरीज बंडी एज वेल? आप
जेरी की बंडी
मेरे
हो
husband
जाएगी.
का भी
उसके
कर
husband
देंगे.
की बंडी हो जाएगी. जैकेट.
यानी मेरे लिए ना, जो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ क्या करना है, लेकिन मैंने सेम कपड़े का उनके लिए एक बंडी स्टाइल के लिए कपड़ा भी लिया है.
दिखाइए मुझे क्या बंडी.
तो ये है प्लेन टॉप और पैंट के लिए.
ओके.
इसका मैं लास्ट टाइम की तरह आपको स्केच करके दिखाती हूँ जैसे हम लोग ने किए थे. हाँ,
मेरे को ये ना एकदम सिंपल बेसिक चाहिए टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ विच के आगे जाके अगर मेरे को ये अलग से भी पहनना पड़े ना वेस्टर्न स्टाइल में तो मैं पहन सकती हूँ। और फिर ये है ऊपर का शेयर का, नॉट रियली केप जो हमने मृदुल के लिए किया था उस वो जैसे नहीं। तो ये मैं आपको या मम्मा आपको स्केच करके दिखा देंगे। दिस वी टुक 7 मीटर्स। ये मैं हम लोग ने टॉप और पैंट के हिसाब से लिए और जेरी के लाइनिंग के हिसाब से लिए। ये हम लोग ने मेरे केप के वो ओवरथ्रो के हिसाब से लिए और जेरी के पंडी के हिसाब से लिए। जेरी के पंडी के हिसाब से अपन ने 2.5 मीटर लिए थे और बाकी का
1.5 में भी हो जाता है।
सॉरी 1.5 नॉट 2.5 और बाकी का मेरे हिसाब से लिए थे।
ओके नो इशू।
हाँ, लेकिन अभी 1 शोल्डर टू 1 शोल्डर ना सेम हो जाएगा क्योंकि मृदुल ने भी मेरे लिए 1 शोल्डर ही बनाया है। तो वन ऑप्शन इज वेयर इज द अदर पिक्चर,
ये वाला, एक मिनट, ये वाला।
वन ऑप्शन इज टू टेक दिस, बट इसका ना इसका कैसे एकदम भरा हुआ है। सो मच इज गोइंग आउट। आई डोंट वांट इट टू गो आउट, आई वांट इट टू
वो ऐसा है ना,
अ लिटिल बिट मोर लाइक इन टाइप।
यू नो, उनको ऐसा लगता है बट इट विल फॉल डाउन ओनली, है ना सरफराज? ये ऐसे, और ये मेरे को लगता है बड़ा पन्ना है। ये अपने पास बड़ा पन्ना नहीं है, अपने पास तो नहीं। दिस इज नॉट द पन्ना, दिस इज द लंबाई,
This is the width, not the
width.
Yeah.
दिस इज द विड्थ।
Yeah.
तो नहीं,
This
दिस इज द विड्थ। हाँ करेक्ट, दिस इज द विड्थ।
एक सेकंड, फर्स्ट लेट मी जस्ट डू द टॉप एंड द बॉटम एंड देन आई फील लाइक द केप विल कम
Okay.
टुगेदर।
मेरे को भी यहाँ पे कैप स्लीव्स चाहिए। अपन पैड करेंगे ना,
हाँ।
तो आप मेरे को भी ओपन बैक हल्का सा दे दो, दैट्स फाइन विथ मी। हाँ, आई वांट इट वेरी सिंपल। मम्मा यू वांट टू टेक द रिमूव द दिस एंड यू सेड सम मरखंड हियर आल्सो ना फॉर द बॉटम। वो सेम नहीं लग जाएगा मृदुल के आउटफिट के जैसा? यानी मृदुल शादी में तो पहन नहीं रही है, बट स्टिल दैट्स फाइन ना। एंड फॉर द पैंट आई जस्ट वांट वेरी वाइड पैंट्स, लाइक वेरी
नो, दिस इज वेरी लेस।
यू ड्रॉ इट। या
ठीक है।
कि लेकिन इतना इंडियन भी ना लगे क्योंकि मेरे को वो वेस्टर्न में भी बाद में आई वांट टू वेयर द कोड सेट अपने आप ऑल्सो केप के बगैर आगे जाके। मेरा कंफ्यूजन है कि केप में क्या करें मम्मा, दैट्स
This is
व्हेन नाउ आई एम
single bias.
कंफ्यूज्ड।
आई फील के वन साइड इज फाइन, वन साइड वन शोल्डर हो जाएगा, हल्का चलेगा। पर
स्लीव ना वन साइड,
अंदर का
नहीं ऊपर का है, का स्लीव ना।
यू वांट टू स्लीव,
It will look very nice in this.
बट आई ऑलरेडी हैव अ कैप स्लीव हैपनिंग। और आप मेरे को इसमें वो ओपन बैक ही देना। हाँ, पीछे
हाँ, open ही रहेगा।
पीछे के साइड।
बैक देखो ओपन चाहिए।
मैं इसीलिए तो बोल रही हूँ पैर को, because मेरे को बैक ओपन चाहिए।
अच्छा।
That's why, because when you're
तो zip
wearing
डाल
the
देना।
cape, when you're wearing the cape, तो अंदर का दिखेगा ना, like the back will still be seen as open. Now the question is whether we want to do the cape like that, straight, ऊपर से नीचे जाता है, or we want to keep the cape one
You know,
shoulder.
even if you do the cape like this.
One shoulder करने में मम्मा फायदा नहीं है, कुछ ये साइड पे ये
नहीं,
thick sleeves,
ये वाला
strappy sleeves
I'll
है
show
ना।
you, I'll show you. ये वाला, if you do it now like this and leave it,
Hey, this is nice.
yeah, and then इसका पीछे का भी ऐसा होगा,
This is a
and
good
then you
reference.
tie these two यहाँ पे, like
Like
this.
the weave length outfit.
Yeah,
No, this is a lovely reference. I like this also.
है ना?
Yeah, why you didn't show me this earlier?
It is on your WhatsApp, I sent you.
I missed it then.
उसके ऊपर और फिर यहाँ पे हम दो
Don't give ना, leave it. Why are you
Please.
giving?
नहीं, वो फिर है ना ऐसे ऐसे उछलेगा। यू आर गोइंग टू डांस उसकी शादी में,
Yeah.
तो ये सब उड़ेगा। यू नीड समथिंग कनेक्टिंग टू इट, है ना?
So then, can you make the connection out of these only?
या we'll do that.
Like
Cut
that
out
marker.
flowers बना दे।
तो मार्कन करके दे देंगे।
हाँ।
नहीं, मार्कन करेंगे, कट करके निकाल लेंगे ना, और फिर दोनों को जोड़ देंगे।
वो
Oh, lovely. Then I can wear this to the beach also in the future with a swimsuit inside.
That you can, but
Multiple ways to start.
तो no, मेरे ख्याल से ये अच्छा लगेगा,
हाँ।
है ना? दूसरे जितनी भी स्टाइल सोचे हैं
This is better.
उससे अच्छा है। देखो तुम यू गो
नहीं, मेरे को वन शोल्डर पता है why I'm hesitant, because one shoulder में एक sleeve आएगा अंदर के ब्लाउज का, that's one. Second is if I'm wearing the orange she's made for me for the haldi, one shoulder then I'll style similar ही लगेगा। फिर मेरे को नहीं,
हाँ।
I like this.
हाँ, गो फॉर दिस।
I like
एंड इससे क्या है, दिस इज शियर, तुम्हारा ब्लाउज भी दिखेगा
दिखेगा।
एंड
मेरे को ये
इतना
neck नहीं चाहिए। हाँ,
नहीं
मेरे को ये
नहीं,
neck
जो भी
मैं
व्हाटएवर,
सिर्फ clarify कर रही हूँ।
या लाइक दिस तुम्हारा ब्लाउज
What do you call these straps? These are like
सी दिस इज नॉट कैट
Fixed.
स्लीव्स।
Cap
ये
sleeves.
जो बनाए थे ना वो उसमें वाइट वाले में, वैसे
हाँ, तो
तुमको
मैं
वैसा ही
cap sleeves
चाहिए
बोल
ना?
रही हूँ।
नहीं, दीज आर ब्रॉड स्ट्रैप्स।
I want like this only, but you
Same.
see the narrow base.
सेम
I
ही
like
करना है, और फिर इधर हम मार्कन कर देंगे जो तुम्हारा शेयर में से दिखेगा।
जेडी का भी मैं माप ले ली हूँ, उसका मेरे को सिंपल ना अंदर बंडी चाहिए, वेरी सिंपल। फर्स्ट बटन का मैंने
तुम्हारे पास कोई सैंपल है बंडी का? उसकी कोई बंडी है तो भिजवा दे।
भिजवा सकती हूँ, लेकिन ही इज लॉस्ट वेट सिंस देन, सो आई वुड नॉट रेकमेंड दैट फॉर मेजरमेंट बिकॉज ही इज लॉस्ट वेट।
नहीं, मेजरमेंट दे देना, खाली स्टाइल। वो नॉर्मली कैसे पैजामा कुर्ते के ऊपर हम लोग,
समझा मैं,
है
स्लीवलेस
ना? हाँ,
हाँ, मेरे को स्लीवलेस
जो
बंडी चाहिए।
जैकेट पहनते हैं ना कैसे,
और इधर ऊपर आप वो एक हल्का व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड, चाइनीज कॉलर नेक
Chinese,
स्टाइल,
हाँ।
वो भी रखेंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा।
हाँ।
वो कुर्ते के साथ पहनने वाला है। शोल्डर्स,
लाइक
चेस्ट
दिस
सब में
पहनते हैं
माप।
ना, ये ऐसा स्ट्रेट होता है ना।
या मेरे को पैंट्स एकदम हाई वेस्ट चाहिए। हाँ, मेरा जो पॉन्च है इतना नहीं चाहिए।
15 ठीक है ना?
15.5 रखिए।
15.5 रखो।
No, but let the blouse be short, na?
नहीं,
Sarfraz bhai,
एकदम
but
short
keep the
भी
height.
नहीं,
Mom,
एकदम-
I like a short blouse.
आधा इंच का फर्क है बीच में, आधा इंच।
और पैंट को हाई वेस्ट रखो। Let the tummy show a little, mummy.
हाँ हाँ, तभी तो दिखेगा। 35 हाई चेस्ट, 38 चेस्ट, अंडर बस 31, 31,
उससे 1 इंच ब्लाउज राउंड रखिएगा।
1 इंच नीचे करूँ, 31 ही। उनको क्या इधर पहनना है पैंट?
हाँ।
हिप्स राउंड ले लीजिए, पैंट का
देखो।
जब जहाँ से पहनेंगे वहाँ पे ले लीजिए।
हाँ, 32।
रखो।
ये इधर, ये हाई वेस्ट है, हाँ, लिख दो 32।
Why is my measurement coming everything up?
इसका जो लेंथ है ना,
जो इस पैंट का है मम्मा उतना ही रखो।
सेंटर
क्योंकि
से नहीं
मुझे-
होता, लेंथ साइड से होता है।
हाँ, साइड से ही जस्ट थोड़ा सा, लेकिन ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा थोड़ा सा। हाँ,
मेरे को नीचे तक ना एकदम लाइक हील्स के बाद ही मुझे डांस भी करना है, सो आई डोंट वांट इट टू बी टू लॉन्ग।
यस।
तो
काफी।
तुम्हें ना 41 रखो,
शो मी देन।
थोड़ा सा साइड पे लेके ऐसा।
क्या लेंथ हुआ?
41 रखो सरफेस। लो वेस्ट 38।
को जितना लो कम उतना ठीक है।
वो शेप आना चाहिए
Actually,
ना।
it's in sheer also ना। हाँ ठीक है, आप 7 भी चलेंगे तो 7.5 अवॉइड करो। मेरे को एकदम लो नेक में कंफर्टेबल।
दोनों लिखिए, जो आएगा मुझे जिसमें शेप आएगा मैं वो रखूंगा।
जी। Ink fest of mama giving me dirty looks while getting my measurements taken. It's okay.
अच्छा,
It's key.
you know there is a point where then you have to
Start losing weight.
Done?
start doing things for yourself.
Done.
मैं आपको जेरी का मेजरमेंट फॉरवर्ड करती
Please
हूँ,
forward
आप ये देखो। लेकिन अगर आपको कुछ और भी चाहिए तो मेरे को बताओ, क्योंकि ये माप उनका मैंने ही लिया है।
तुम लिए हो,
Yeah,
you
I know how to take map. I've seen you and Papa take map since I was a child.
not Papa but me.
No, Papa also. Papa takes jeans map proper from the side, like he told you, side. So I remember Papa always takes from the side. Papa used to get all my jeans alterations done. और इसके अलावा अगर और कुछ चाहिए तो मेरे को बोलो ना। आर्म होल है, फर्स्ट बटन का प्रेफरेंस लेंथ है, शोल्डर है, चेस्ट है, बंडी लेंथ है।
वेस्ट नहीं है, हिप नहीं है।
बट बंडी के लिए
You
Waist की जरूरत पड़ेगी।
तो मैं लेके आपको भेज देती
हिप्स की भी जरूरत पड़ेगी मुझे।
हूँ। Okay.
आर यू श्योर? आर्मोल की जरूरत, आर्मोल 20 ना हो, शोल्डर 20 है।
उनका चेस्ट साइज 42
मैं एक बात सजेस्ट करूं,
Chest?
whenever he, या मैं
I'll
ले
bring
लेती
him.
हूँ, या just stop by 5 minutes, he'll take just
ठीक
to
है,
pick that.
I'll bring
बिकॉज
Jerry.
कैसा मुझे 20 बहुत ज्यादा लग रहा है।
हाँ, नहीं
नहीं नहीं, उनके शोल्डर्स बहुत ब्रॉड है। इनफैक्ट इट वाज 20.1। मैं बहुत श्योर हूँ, शोल्डर तो बेसिक में, वो तो मैं बहुत ही श्योर हूँ।
हाँ, but 5
मेरा
minutes
19-20
लाके
थोड़ा अगर लग रहा है ना कोई चीज का, तो वो फर्स्ट बटन का मेरे को लग रहा था कि किधर जाता है फर्स्ट बटन अपने को मालूम।
कॉलर का तो मैं ले लूंगा, इसमें बटन्स नहीं होते, इसमें कॉलर का नेक का जो राउंड होता है वो लिया जाता
मैं
है।
इनको
बट
ले आती हूँ आपके पास।
मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ 20 इंच शोल्डर होएगा, बिकॉज 40 अगर 41 चेस्ट है ना,
वेरी ब्रॉड।
कितना भी ब्रॉड है,
हाँ, नहीं,
मैं उनको ले आती हूँ।
हाँ, 5 minutes just get
मैं
him
उनको
and
ले
yeah.
बेस्ट रहेगा। बिकॉज क्या 20 शोल्डर मुझे थोड़ा लग रहा रहेगा, तो यू नो एक क्लियर हो जाएगा ना।
No, he is broad shoulders, my husband.
Because men's shoulders I've taken.
Mama, it's your finger is literally on 20 and you're saying,
You're not understanding. I don't know. तुम समझ नहीं रहे हो ना?
Papa, come here. Okay, I kind of love what this has turned out to be. I'll tell you, there are two things that I'm still kind of like thinking over and processing a little bit. One is this over here. The original idea was to take the cutout of this, which I do have in the bag, and instead we've landed up with a straight putty here, purely because he was saying that the cutouts were too delicate and it would not hold and was not looking and feeling nice. And secondly, I was envisioning for this to be a little bit narrower on the front, which would have a little bit more kind of like a slimming appearance or kind of like a straighter, cleaner, more minimalistic appearance, if you know what I mean. But the fitting is absolutely perfect. It is sitting on my waist perfectly. The blouse sits right. It is an open back-ish situation. I just have hooks over here. I clearly don't need or have a dupatta because this goes on. And it is looking like just really nice. All in all, it's a little bit different. So I feel like this style may not be for everybody, but I'm gonna style it nicely with my long earrings. And I'm gonna make it work. I feel like I really like it. It is a little bit different, I understand, but I wanted to do a little bit something that's a little bit different because otherwise it's the regular shararas and kurtas and saris, and I have those other looks in the other outfits anyway through this wedding. So I feel like it's different and I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it from the point of view of like it's chic. And I think I'm going to like have good number of wears in this. Let's go ahead and call my mom and show her because she hasn't seen it as yet. I picked up the piece on my way in. I love how this comes through. It fits. His fitting is superb. Zaida zara yahan aana na. थोड़ा ढीला लग रहा है. How do we tighten it? How do we fix the little dhilaness, Mama? Do we shorten this? Do we shorten the pattas here? Yeah, that can be done. Yeah, so I don't mind a little less movement on that front. So ठीक है. इसके अलावा I'm happy with everything. Fit wise. ये ना यहाँ पे बहुत लूज है, तो इसको अपन थोड़ा सा कम कर देंगे. ये बहुत लूज है. मैं ऐसे कर रही हूँ ना, तो इसको थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट कर देंगे अपन. आधा कर दो. हाँ, मैं आपके पास भिजवा रही हूँ. जेरी का भी फिटिंग करके दोनों साथ में कर दी.
Someone has gone ahead and tried his kurta on with boxers. Gerard, are you comfy?
Yep.
It looks great on you. Is it comfy around the neck?
Yeah.
Yeah, you good? Okay, amazing. Love it. Your looks are sorted.
And with that, we come to the end of this outfit from scratch video. This one is most special because it is the first time that I'm doing outfits that are matching for Jerry and me. I don't think we were this matching even for our wedding functions. No. Yeah. So this is truly special. We're literally ready right now, ready to go to Mridul and Aditya's carnival function. We're standing outside our hotel room, getting snippets that we're showing. Are you happy with your outfit right now?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
Extremely.
Do you want me to do this more often?
Yes, please.
Jerry was shocked that buying an outfit, like buying a bandi ready, is so much cheaper than making one from scratch.
I thought it would be the other way around.
No, actually making custom is definitely more expensive. I'm going to go ahead and put the total figure of what we spent on these outfits on the screen right now. Don't forget to let me know what you thought of this entire video and our matching outfits down below in the comment section. You know I'm always reading, liking, hearting and responding to each and every one of you. So keep them coming. I love you very, very much and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye!
Yo.